My name is Jazeera. I'm a founder of Humming Cup Premium Organic Tea. Have you ever wondered why half of the world is enjoying their tea and some people just can't make their tea taste good? When I moved to United States from Kazakhstan about 16 years ago, I couldn't find a single bag of loose leaf tea in stores. And then I heard stories how people brew their tea in microwaves. And I thought, no wonder why their tea doesn't taste good. If you are new to tea and would like to learn more, or you're a tea connoisseur and would like to test your knowledge, this video is for you. I was lucky to grow up in tea drinking community, and I traveled the world and learned some techniques that I would love to share with you. In this video, I would like to share how to pick the right tea, and I'm gonna explain what are tea sachets and how to use them. If you watched my previous video where I explained how to make loose leaf tea, you probably remember that I strongly suggested to use loose leaf tea instead of tea bags. And here is why. Tea in tea bags contain the lowest grade of tea available on the market, also called tea dust. Who would like this kind of tea? What you're looking for in good tea is quality and purity. Quality comes from loose leaf tea, and purity comes from tea being organic. Tea sachets or tea pyramids contain loose leaf tea. At Humming Cup, our tea sachets contain only organic tea. Our tea sachets are made of biodegradable material called Ceylon that are great for environment. And you can also notice that tea sachets are made in the shape of pyramid that allows tea to brew properly. Now I'm going to show you how to brew your tea using tea sachet. First, make sure that you have purified or filtered water. Do not use tap water. Boil your water to a certain temperature. Put your tea sachet in a mug or tea infuser and pour water over your tea. Let it steep. After you achieve the desired taste, please remove your sachet. Add any sweetener, lemon, or milk for milk tea. Thank you so much for watching. And if you enjoyed it, please share it or like it. I wish you the best and enjoy your tea time.